Hi everyone, it's Miss Jennifer from Central. I am here for DIY Sensory. This week I have a quick one for you, but it is a really fun one. And you only need two supplies, a cookie sheet and some magnets. You can grab letters or magnet tiles, or if you have shapes at the library, I usually use different shaped magnets. But any kind of magnets that you have work. And what you are going to do is use your cookie sheet as a magnet board. And yes, I did have to spell out libraries rock because they do. But this is really great because every child gets their own space, and they can only use as much space as they have in the cookie sheet, which is really great. This can travel. You can do it in the car, you can do it outside, any room in the house. It's not messy, but it's a lot of fun. And when I've done this in the library with the different shapes, it's really great to see what the kids come up with that I just wouldn't have thought of using the shapes that way. So that's really fun to see. The magnet tiles are fun because you can stick them sideways if you want. Or, you know, if you have the cookie tray lying flat, it also works, but you can still build with them up or sideways a little bit. Not as tall as you might otherwise with just putting them on the ground. But again, really great if you're traveling or if you're trying to give every child their own little space. You know, if everybody needs a break from each other. I know we've been kind of stuck with each other for a while right now. So this defines the space, gives them, you know, a different way to be creative than necessarily giving them pen and paper to draw. Enjoy, and I can't wait to see your creations. Bye.